In this video, we are going to calculate the bonus of each employee. Hello, this is Jagan from Grow with Data. I am posting this video to share my knowledge in SQL with you. If this assists you in your interview preparation anyways, I will be happy. Welcome to the third video of our Advanced SQL 50 interview question series. I have different topics to cover and we are going to continue with the select statement related questions. This video will be tagged in Advanced SQL 50 question series playlist, and the code we discuss in this video will be uploaded to the GitHub. The link to the GitHub page will be in the video description part. Let's see the data set first and then we can talk about the question in detail. So we are given a table called employees, which got a employee ID, the employee's name, and how much salary they got. So employee ID is the unique identifier. That means every employee will have one record in the employee table, and they have the name and how much salary they get. So what they are asking is, we are asked to write a solution to calculate the bonus for each employee. Let's create the table first. So to calculate the bonus, they have given couple of conditions. The first condition is to get the bonus for 100%, the employee's ID should be an odd number, and then the employee's name does not start with the character M. If both the conditions satisfy, then they get 100% of bonus. That means the whole salary will be their bonus. The second one is, if they don't satisfy this condition, right? If their number is not odd or the character starts with M, if that happens, then their bonus is going to be 0. So it should be the same salary amount or it will be a 0 amount. So how to do that? If you see this data set, the first condition, right, the ID of the employee is an odd number. If you see this, the employee ID is even number, so we ignore this. And 3 is a odd number, so we can select this. 7 is a odd number, you can select it. 8 is an even number, 9 is a odd number. So the first conditions, these 3 employees satisfy the first condition. The second one is, the name should not start with the character M. So Michael, it starts with M, so it's not eligible. This name is Adeline, starts with A, it's not M, so this is eligible. And Canon starts with K, so the employee number 7 and the employee number 9 are eligible based on this condition. So what will be the output? So the employee ID 7 and 9 will have the 100% of bonus from the salary. Other employees will have 0% of bonus. So this is what is expected. So how to get that? As we talked about, first thing is you have to find the employee ID which are odd, and then find the employee ID name which is not starting with M. If you get that too, then you can play around with the bonus. If the condition satisfies, then you have the same salary as 100%, right? So salary into 100%, which is going to be the salary itself. If this both the conditions, right, if any of these conditions are not satisfied, then they will get 0 bonus. Okay, let's see how to do that. Just comment this out. So that employees table, right? So we start with the table name, select from employees table. The first condition is the employee ID should be an odd number. So how will I do that? Where the employee ID, right? Employee ID, PLOYE, employee ID. If it's odd, that means modulus of 2 will be 1. Then you get the employee with odd. We can just check the employee ID, right? MLO employee ID, and then you can say name and then salary, right? And salary. So the first condition is their employee ID should be a odd number. If you run this, Yes, we got 3, 7 and 9. So 3 is an odd number, 7 is an odd number, 9 is an odd number. The second condition is it should not start with m. So we say substring bstr substring of the name, we get only the first letter, is not equal to m. We run this, 7 and 9 are eligible, right? 7 and 9 are eligible. You can have this instead of substring, you can say and name like m percentage, name not like, right? Should not. Even that works. So you can use a substring, or you can do the name not like starting with m, right? So this will give me all the employees who's going to get 100% salary. So salary into 100%, that is 1 as bonus. So if I run this, I will get the 7 and 9 which got the value. But what happened to this? I am going to change the same condition to the opposite side. I can just copy this, get all the employees whose employee ID is not odd. That means it's a even. You can just equal to 0 or not equal to 1, however you want to, right? You can just say equal to. So that means it's a even number. This AND condition becomes or the name like m. If that is the case, any of this condition satisfies, that means they are not going to get any bonus. Let's take this off. If you run this, you will get all the other employees 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 8, right? So you get all the employees. For them, the salary into 0 is the bonus. So the bonus is going to be 0. You can directly put 0, or you can just have the calculation like this. Okay, so we got two data sets. One is the employees who get the bonus, and then another one is employees whose bonus is 0. You have both this and you do a union all, then you get the complete data set. I say order by employee ID. If I combine both and I run it, you get 2, 3, bonus is 0. For 7, bonus is the 100%. For 8, bonus is 0. For 9, it's 7700. This is what is expected. So we have employee ID and bonus. We don't need the name, but we just delete the name if you want to. So this is a brute force method. So whatever we discuss step by step, right? So whatever we discuss step by step is just converted to a SQL. And this is not expected at the interview point of view, because this is a basic approach. So how will I modify this? Let's keep this away. Let's start with the same table, select from employees. So what we need, the employee ID and name, and then what I'm going to say is I am putting a case statement. Case when this conditions, right? The employee ID mod. So I'm taking that condition. If it's going to be odd and the first name, right? The name not like m. If both the conditions satisfy, if the employee ID is an odd number and the name is not like m, then the bonus is salary into 100%. Else 0. So whatever we need, we just calculate bonus. If not, you put 0 or salary into 0, however you put that as before, right? You put salary into 0, salary into 1. So if you want to put that, you can just put that way. So this is going to be bonus. There is no filter condition. For all the employees, we have to do this calculation. Let's run this. So you get the same result. If you want to put the order by employee ID, that will be good. So if you see the expected output, this is the same. So here we put a separate SQL to calculate the employees to get bonus and employees who don't have bonus. But here, instead of putting two separate data set, we just put a condition. So when the condition satisfies, then you do a bonus 100%, else you do the bonus 0%. So that is a simple calculation. Since there is no filter condition required, we just put only the order by part of it. So if you want to get this code on the create statement, then this will be in advanced SQL 50 question series, right? This is the third video. We have 2 videos posted the last 2 days. Oh, we went to another page. So if you go to the video description part, there will be a GitHub link which will take you to the code base. So this is the first video. The video we are talking about now is the third one. So that will have the create statement and the brute force method we discussed and the simpler version of it. So you can use this for your practice. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, there is a link here. You can use this and join Grow with Data WhatsApp channel. Hope you like this video and thanks for watching.